Alright, my name is Sam Robinson, and I'm going to be looking at assessing student learning using Kahoot. This is one of my favorite games and internet tools to use when we are reviewing or just getting some extra practice on different concepts. This is one that's listed in Web 2.0. Here is my home page. I have an account here through Kahoot, and the best thing about Kahoot is the ability to use different people who has created their own Kahoots, or that you can create your own at any time by using the new Kahoot. So we're going to click on My Kahoots, and we're just going to look at what Kahoot does. And as you see here, I have a bunch of different quizzes that I have created or that I have copied and duplicated from other people, because as we all know, there's no point in reinventing the wheel. So let's take a look at what Kahoot actually does. So as I'm getting ready to play, I'm just going to click play here, and as you see, this Kahoot, you can do player versus player, you can do teams with shared devices. So Chromebooks, iPads, mobile phones, all of these tools can be used to access Kahoot. So we're going to just go classic, and here you see, they're ready to join. So what your kids would do is they would just go to kahoot.it, and as you see here, we got a little video as they're signing up. So I'm going to sign on my own device. Alright, so as you see, my name has popped up here because I've signed in. So I'm just going to sign in, and I'm going to play by myself because I don't have anybody in here with me right now. Hopefully I can get my mouse to pull up here. Alright, here we go. Alright, so it's going to ask me a question. It's going to pop up. And the idea here is speed and accuracy. So this is question 1 of 12. Cosecant is equal to, and then it's going to pop up on your screen just the answer choices. So we got a little music here. So we're going to cosecant is going to be equal, and I'm just going to click the answer, and as you see, that's the correct answer. And here, from this point, the teacher will have control of it. And as you see, I scored 675 points for getting the correct answer. Now, had I been faster, I'd have got more points. So you can kind of see as you play this game that it's going to continue to rank the students, and it really becomes a great friendly competition for the students. And especially when you play with a team, it's a great way to review. Students really get into the game with the points go. So you could just continue on, and you're going to continue to get questions and all of that good stuff. So we're going to go back to Kahoot. We're going to leave here. We're going to go back to Kahoot, and we're just going to kind of go back and look and see how that you can create these. You can share with other teachers. That's one of the ways that we do in our math department, is we share with one another. You're going to see here that what I've done with some of these accounts you see are student accounts from years past, where I had them create their own Kahoot. So they came in and they created their own Kahoots for the students to play. And a part of that assignment is obviously there's got to be a certain number of questions. The questions all have to be related to the concept that we're studying. They have to have the correct answer there. So students not only have to come up with correct answers, but incorrect answers too, which help them determine different methods for solving problems. If we go here, would be your account here. The public Kahoots, you can pretty much search any domain, any concept that you want, and they're just going to pull up, and you can see the different ones, and you can share these with people. You can click on them, you can duplicate them, and then once you duplicate them, they'll go into your Kahoots. You can go in now, and then you can edit it. You can change the amount of time, the number of questions. You can go in and do what you want to do, and then you'd be ready to play. This is a great tool to assess. This is a great tool for your students to create, to collaborate, and it is a very fun and engaging way for students to learn.